show you a very cool new feature on AcmeTutor today. So this feature is about generating courses on demand using the AI. So how do you go about doing that? So I have a whole bunch of courses, but let's say I wanted to learn something new. For example, I wanted to learn more about how do I imagine stuff, or perhaps I wanted to learn how to make cartoons. Yeah, that's good. So let's say that we are going to say how to make cartoons, and we're going to say generate my course. And this is all you got to do. You just got to imagine something that you want a course on and type it into this section called Hey Acme Tutor, I want a course on, and type in your thing, how to make cartoons, and hit generate my course. And then as you see, it's doing AI magic to generate your course. Please be patient. And before going off and generating like anything crazy, make sure that there's not existing course on that thing. Just so you know, if there's already an existing course, then you can use that. But if it's something new that you have thought of that you want a course on, then by all means, create a new course on it. And the AI can generate a course on demand, and you can always update it from the coach portal. So yeah, so let me show you the coach portal while this guy is generating the courses. Oh, it finished generating. So let's actually just look at it this way. So here's our course. It's unpublished right now. It's free and the language is English. How to make cartoons. If we click over to it, this is the full course it has generated. As you can see, there's an outline introduction, tools and materials, drawing techniques, storytelling techniques, and animating techniques. You can click into each section and there is content that has been added to each section. Cartoon character design for beginners, the truth about making cartoons, how to color your animation, how to draw perspective, how to draw faces. So these are different drawing techniques. And at the end of each section, it's also added a Who Wants to Be a Millionaire game for you automatically. You can, through the coach portal, you can always generate more games for learning. But by default, I've added for now a Who Wants to Be a Millionaire game. So here we are with the Who Wants to Be a Millionaire game. You can turn the sound on if you like, or keep it off. Let's do 50-50. What's the most important element when creating a cartoon? Line work or perspective? I'm not really sure, but let's just say that it's line work. And yeah, that's correct. Okay, cool. So what type of pen should you use when drawing cartoons? Probably not ballpoint, marker, fine liner pen probably. Yeah. And then when sketching cartoons, what should you be using for shading? Charcoal sticks, graphite pencils, I'm not sure. Maybe graphite pencils, let's try. Yeah, there you go. So as you can see, we're moving up the board here. We can do phone a friend and it'll give us a hint. The answer your friend thinks is D, and your friend's right. And we can also do audience poll. It'll give us a graph. Audience is split between A and C here. So yeah, so cool. So it gives you the game and it shows you down here a description. It shows you the video length and so on. And now, right now, as you saw, this course is unpublished. If you wanted to publish it, you could go over to the coach portal and let me refresh the page here just so it shows up since we just created it. And I'll select how to make cartoons. Course info, if I wanted to edit any of the course info, change the thumbnail if I wanted to. There's a nice little thumbnail creator. You can go from here or under resources. You can change these things. If you have a call, you can add that. Hit submit. Teacher info, I can add my profile, and I already have a profile, so I'm just going to choose it. And outline, if I want to change any of the content or the titles, add some stuff for preview, I can do that within the content outline section. I can add new videos and new content in here as well. I can add forms to collect user input and so on. Hit save outline. I can add a price to my course. Let's say this course is $9.99 and the cross-out price maybe is $19.99. I can create promo codes down here if I wanted to. Choose the expiration and everything, but let's just hit submit for now. And I can create a certificate for the course here. Certificate of accomplishment, proudly presenting, etc. Submit that if there's 3 different types of certificates that can be created in terms of the design. So we can do that. And then once it's all done, you've filled out these different things, you hit submit for review. And once you do that, I will go ahead and approve it. Let me do that quickly. So I'm just going over to my admin section to approve the course that we have just created. Just give me 1 second here. All right, and I've approved it. So right now it'll go from pending approval to approval once I refresh the page. There it is. And if I go over to the AcmeTutor.com website, let me do that in incognito so I don't have to log out. Okay, all right, AcmeTutor.com. So here you can see the how to make a cartoons page has been generated with the price and teacher and everything. If you click over it, you will see that the landing page has also been created. You can preview the videos we marked for preview. You can enroll and purchase the course and so on. So that's it for this video. You've seen how easily and quickly I just created a course on how to make cartoons. You can see it filled out all the description, it filled out the benefits of the course, it filled out all of these things, even created games within the course for you. And yeah, and then you have full flexibility to keep changing it, improving it from the Coach portal.